guys, so we all know that noodles are originated from China, right? So you got the European travelers came to China, and then they brought some noodles back to Europe. But then Italy, they found out that noodles were very easy to store, and they lasted a long time. So they produced a lot of spaghetti, lasagna, pizza, to which we know as pasta. So anyway, that was the 13th century. So now, move on to the 18th century. The Italian immigrants went on to North America, which we now go as the USA, so now we can eat that kind of food. Another important factor here, in the 17th century, when the Chinese immigrants, they traveled to Peru, but in Peru, once they got there, the farms were in really bad shape, so it was like they were slaves. Luckily, though, there were a lot of African slaves who were already there, so they both mixed their foods, and we produce like a lot of foods, like Tallarin saltado, which I'm going to tell you about later. And now we know that now 5% of Peruvians' popularity are Chinese, and 20% have Chinese ancestors. So they produced a good food that I'm going to show you in the next video called Tallarin saltado, which is made with a lot of tomatoes, beef, and that kind of stuff. Today I'm going to be making Tallarin saltado. So I need to tell you guys something first. The Chinese brought noodles from there to Peru, my hometown. With their cooking skills, they made up a lot of different dishes, so we can use them now. And we're going to be making one of my favorite Peruvian dishes, Tallarin saltado. So first, you've got the noodles, of course. You've got then the beef, got the green bell peppers, red, orange, and yellow. You got the purple onions, ginger here, and here's the parsley, and here's is the green onions, the outside and the inside, that's white. And also here, you've got the sauces, and the tomatoes, of course, and the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a lot of sauces. That's the ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to insert the beef into this so it can fry. The ideal way to do it is to let it get some fire on it, but for safety rules, I'm not going to do that. So we just keep inserting more beef into here. As you can see, there's even some boils of hotness. And now I'm going to we move it around to make sure that it gets a good flavor, so it's not all mushed up together. Okay. So now that the beef is ready, we are going to leave it on this plate and let it reserve. So the beef's going to wait while we do the other recipes. Now, I'm just going to put all this beef here. As you can see, now we're going to add the ginger on our new pot. As you can see, yeah, it has gotten really hot. Now we're going to cook the white part of our green onion. And we're going to now do this, and very carefully so our green onion doesn't burn. Now we're going to add the tomatoes next. So I'm going to put the tomatoes here. And we're going to stir it a little more. As you can see, it's getting really hot. So use your adult help for this time when it gets really hot like this. Now we add our onions. And it's now good. Finally, we our beef to make it a great mix. Now, it's got a little cooler, so now it's safe enough to stir it now. Now, we add our noodles, which we now are going to stir up. And now we're going to add all our sauces. So we add a little oyster sauce. Really hard to get out. Now you mix it a little. Get the flavors all mixed in. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce. Now I'm going to add this sesame oil so it can get all the flavors. And finally, we add more veggies. We stir it all up. And it's starting to smell really good. This smells really good. It's delicious. It's like the beef is smoked like it's barbecue. I mean, it tastes really good. It's better than any restaurant around here. Thank you, Chinese people, for making the noodles.